Hey there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can migrate a WordPress site from some other hosting provider to AWS.
My name is Syed Shah, and I'm the founder and CTO of 12Tech.
In this video, we're going to use Lightsail to host a site. Lightsail is great for smaller websites, smaller workloads, because it provides a low predictable price. It provides an easy to use interface. And if you want to get started with AWS, then it's a good platform to get started with. So the customer site that I'm going to migrate, by the way, this is an actual site and this is an actual migration that I'm going to do in this video. So this is the site which I will migrate. And the first thing you have to go to from AWS, you have to go to Lightsail and you select create an instance. Oh, I didn't intended this. I wanted to click on this. Okay, and I think we are fine with the default options, the Linux based host and WordPress installed on it. And here you can select your pricing options. One of the issues that people have initially with AWS is the pricing is not predictable. So with Lightsail, it's predictable. It's going to be $3.50, and first month is going to be free as well. So that's also good. So we're gonna just have the default, and this is important that you download your key pair, because this is going to be the key which we'll use to log on to our server. And then let's just go ahead and create an instance. And we wait for the instance to come up. Okay, the instance is up. And the first thing which I would like to show is, to be able to log into the WordPress backend, the WordPress admin, but we don't have a password, right? So I'm going to show you how can you get a password within the Lightsail setup. So you click on the instance and then you say connect using SSH. Awesome. Now we need to get the password. And the way you get a password on the WordPress instance that you spin up from Lightsail, which actually uses these Bitnami instances, is on your home directory. There should be this file, this one. So if you do this, you should get your password. Right? So this is the public IP. We're going to change this as well, because we're going to associate a static IP with this instance. But for now, if you access the public IP and do admin or WP admin, then you can log into the admin. And the username, I think, should be Bitnami. And the password is here. Now, let me find out what the usernames are on these machines. Okay, so it's just user. There you go. So we are able to log in to the admin, but before we do anything else, let's just assign a static IP to our instance. And the way we're going to do that is go back to the Lightsail console for this instance, and then go to networking. and then just say create static IP attached to the instance. And this is the instance. You just accept the default names. And now this is our static IP, which means that this IP is not going to change even if the instance restarts. And instead of this, let's try accessing via the static IP. Oh, we need to log in again. Now let's go to the source site and export it. So the way we're going to do the migration is the simple export using a plugin. And then using the same plugin, we're going to import it in the destination site. So let's log in here. Let's go to the plugins. And so this plugin is already there. So, but this is the plugin which I'm using, all-in-one WP migration. So we're going to go to that plugin and do an export. And export to file and download. Now let's install the same plugin on the destination site. Oh, I think it was already there. So we'll just update. I think we need to activate it. So activate. And then we do the import. So there are multiple ways to change the max upload file size approach. They have this documented here. The one that I'm going to use is basically not through the htaccess file. It's via the php.ini file. So for this, you just need to go to this directory. And then here, you should have a php.ini file. And then just change the settings over here. One of the fields that need to be changed is this one. Oh, lost it. Right, so let's change it to this. And then another one that needs to be changed is the post size. This one. So we have changed the settings, increased the maximum post size and the maximum file size. Now we need to restart. And the way you can restart on Lightsail WordPress instance is by running this command. So this is starting Apache primarily. It's also starting MySQL. We didn't need that. All right. So now let's try again. Let me refresh. And here now our maximum file upload size is much bigger. So yes. All right, proceed. And if you look at their video, okay, update it. Yeah, now I'm gonna have to use the credentials from the source site because everything got overwritten. And then in the video, they say that we have to save changes twice for the permanent links. So 1 and 2. I don't really know why does the plugin require this, but it's required for this plugin to work properly. All right. So I think we are done with the migration. We're just now gonna go and test, and we have to take care of we can take care of the updates as well. So let's actually do that. Okay. And also, let's activate this. And I'm also gonna just update WordPress as well. Good. Oh, this is the older version. So I'm just gonna check what happened. Did it actually update? Okay, yeah, so the update was successful. And now if we go and visit the site again, let's get the IP again. We should have the site here. All right. So we have successfully migrated the site. Of course, we still need to test that everything is working, but most of the site actually have been migrated, and I need to take care of this icon. But the migration is done.